So what exactly is Tata Neu credit card?
I think the most important feature, Rishank, here is that
It's no-brainer to use this card for any utility payments if you don't have any other option to payments.
and not only this, Rishank, actually, this is a great card when you are shopping, even on offline mode at Tata Brands, right? Finally, I think people would be very anxious to know what's the kind of fee that they have to pay.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Welcome to another episode of Raw and Real Finance. Hope you all had a great festive season.
Hi, Rishank. Yes, I really had a great festive season and a great Diwali, and it was raining offers, so I think I made the best out of it. And it was so fantastic that I was able to do the accelerated rewards program for Magnus Burgundy as well for the month of October.
Wow, Abhishek, looks like you made the best use of festive offer. Even I completed 7,000 Tata Neu Reward Leaks challenge. It was a sweet promotion to gain additional 7,000 Tata Neu points on spending rupees 24,000. That is neat 35% return.
Yeah, actually, even I did that. It was a great promotion indeed. And I think Tata Neu itself is a great card, being a lifetime free and a Rupay card, which gives you access to the entire UPI platform. And rather than paying through your bank account, you can actually pay via credit card to merchants and make a very nice return even on all your small UPI payments. So it's a great card indeed.
So let's talk about the LTF credit card this week. We will focus on this first card, Tata Neu credit card.
Yes, let's certainly do that.
Welcome to today's episode where we will be diving into Tata Neu Rupay card, a card that is a game changer when it comes to credit card managing your finances. If you are someone who loves to shop, travel, or just wants a smart way to manage your money, so what exactly is Tata Neu Rupay card? Well, it's a co-branded credit card offered by Tata Neu in partnership with HDFC Bank.
I think the most important feature, Rishank, here is that you can use it on the Tata Neu platform where you have all the Tata brands coming together and use it across multiple categories, and some of these categories are very essential for the day-to-day use. So I think that's the most rewarding benefit, and if you use this card, you can easily make a 10%, which is 5% from Tata Neu platform and 5% on your credit card for basic spends like groceries, medicines, electronic purchase, air ticket purchase, right, hotels, and that's the best feature. So all the brands like BigBasket, Tata Click, Croma, Air India now, and the Taj hotels, 1MG Plus, all of them come together, and you don't need to go to multiple sites and do multiple transactions.
Yep, this card has a lot of other features as mentioned by Abhishek about how you can get the best rewards. So we will get more into details how you can make the most of this cards from cashback and discounts point of view. We will also share an example. Abhishek will share his experience of using the card and how we are making the best out of this. So Abhishek, can you share some example? How do you make
Sure.
this card?
What we'll talk about is the basic feature of the card itself. So let's say if you are using it on any of the websites or any of the portals within the Tata Group like BigBasket, and you get a 5% cashback as well as 5% of Tata Neu points. Now let's take a practical example. Suppose you would anyways be buying groceries for your home, and you would be buying medicines, and you will be paying utility bills, and you will be paying for insurances, etc. So let's say if your broad expenses on a monthly basis, it's just like 20,000 rupees on every month. And then for your small UPI transactions, which you do, let's say when you are going to office, etc., buying tickets for your transit, etc., you pay like 10,000. So effectively, you are spending 30,000. Now, if you use grocery apps like BigBasket or let's say 1MG for medicines via the Tata Neu app using the Tata Neu Infinite card, you make a 5% cashback on your card, which translates to 1,000 rupees. And if let's say you're paying bills, and now the feature on UPI transaction is 1.5% cashback on every UPI transaction. So that's again, if you're making 10,000 rupees of spend, you are making 150 rupees. So broadly 1,200 to 1,300 rupees you can make every month without doing much or without doing any sort of excessive spending. This translates to almost 25 to 30,000 rupees or even on a basic spend, right? And if you are doing any more booking like air tickets or let's say international travel or let's say hotel spends, you can actually make much more out of this basic card. And with all the points that accumulate over time, you can either buy groceries again or you can buy a smart watch or new mobile phone on Tata Croma. You can go and book Taj Hotel holiday for 2 nights at your favorite destination. So this is all very rewarding, even with this kind of a basic card.
Yeah, it's absolutely. This card is amazing and it has a lot of amazing features. Like one of the best features I like about this card is the utility payments. Any kind of a electricity bill, telephone bills, insurance, municipality bills. If you pay via this card has a 5% reward points. I think it's no brainer to use this card for any utility payments if you don't have any other option to make payments. So you spend that amount on the bills, you get 5%. This amount converts into Tata Neu points, which you can use for any of the purpose as highlighted by you.
Yes, and nowadays you see that all the platforms are actually charging a premium or a fee for utility payments. So this is really a great benefit actually.
Another feature I really like about this card is the lounge access. I think the more people are traveling around the world, they are liking the option of having lounge airport just for chilling, relaxing before the travel journey. And this card has a very good offer in terms of lounge access. It gives you access to around 4 international lounge access and 8 domestic lounge access. So you get the best of both the worlds, domestic as well as international, in terms of lounge experiences.
And I think this is one of the cards which is of the lowest fee in this category, where you can actually get lounge access. And not only this, Roshang, actually this is a great card when you are shopping even on offline mode at Tata Brands, right? Like Tata Croma or Tanishq, which is the jewelry brand. And you can get special discounts because you have a Tata Neu card, and nowadays you also get a Taj Elite Silver membership when you have this Tata Neu Infinity card, just because of your relationship with the Tata Neu app. Finally, I think people would be very anxious to know what's the kind of fee that they have to pay, right? While there are two variants of cards, Tata Neu Plus and Tata Neu Infinity, the features that we have mostly talked about is about Tata Neu Infinity, because these are slightly more rewarding and better features. And we would recommend the audience to actually go and take the higher variant card. The fee for the card is $14.99 plus GST on an annual basis. But right now, HDFC is actually running a promotion where they are giving this card as lifetime free till 31st December. And they have been continuing this promotion for a while. So this is a no-brainer card. Go and apply for your card today. You have the referral link in our description, and you can use that. This will also help us support our channel. Obviously, this card will also have features like the interest-free EMIs, and if somebody wants to use for some heavy purchases like jewelry, etc., you can do that.
Yep. I think that's one of the great cards currently in my portfolio of cards. So, guys, we are wrapping up today with our episode on Tata Neu credit card. I want to summarize what we have discussed. We have looked into all the benefits what you can get from Tata Neu Rupay card, whether it's about getting discounts on the Tata platform, getting lounge access, earning money from the UPI payments. If you are already a Tata fan, and this card is no brainer. We believe everybody should have this card.
And please, after this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our video. This will really help us create more content for you,
Yeah.
making money as our money work for you.
Yeah, as Abhishek highlighted, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, give your reviews, share your comments, what you like about our channel. It will be really motivating for us as well. So,
And let us know in your comments if you are already holding this Tata Neu Infinity.
yeah, thank you for watching.
Thanks, Ushank. Nice talking to you.
Yeah, thank you, Abhishek. Nice talking to you. Thank you, everyone, for watching. We will see you in the next one.